I eat and cook like a caveman. I wanted to record the first time that I made tortillas de harina. I didn't have time to record, so I just went ahead and made them. I actually didn't even have time to measure any of the ingredients, even though it was my first time. But as you can see, they came out and they actually look like maps, some extraterrestrial planet. But they're pretty good. They're good. I like them. They're actually soft on most of the areas, on the majority of the areas. But some of the corners are crispy, kind of more like brittle on the corners. But these tortillas here have been on the refrigerator for about a week, maybe more. I was able to make about 12. When I made them, I only added 3 ingredients, which was flour, some oil, and water. And I just put the ingredients in, started mixing them up until they felt about right. The consistency on the dough felt about right. I guess I made about 12 or 15, and this is how they came out. I have another video of the second time that I tried, and they came out a little bit better. I tried a different recipe with different ingredients. One of the ingredients that was added was buttermilk, and they came out alright. At first, I didn't like them so much, but then as I kept eating them throughout the week, they're not so bad. They're pretty good. So hopefully I'll have a chance to upload that video. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show how they looked, because on my second video, I will be making a reference over to the first time that I made this recipe. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see how I made them and how they came out. This way you will be notified when I upload the video.